This is the only trading strategy you're gonna need to become a profitable trader, and I'm gonna break it down for you in just a few short minutes. It took me 5 years of trading and backtesting to formulate this strategy. Make sure you watch to the end of this video. This strategy is called the RV model, and it's a reversal model that plays out at least 1 to 2 times per day on index stocks like SPY, SPX, QQQ, or futures tickers like ES and NQ. If you're someone that's looking for a singular strategy to make your money and get in and out the market, this video is for you. Pull out your notepads and let's jump straight into our charts here. When it comes to this model, there's actually 3 steps to it, and I'm going to be going over each in order, so make sure you pay attention. This may sound like the easiest one, and the reason I say this is the most difficult step is because people like to enter trades prematurely. You have to let market play out for 2 to 3 hours. When you look at a chart for 2 to 3 hours, you tend to get impatient and take trades you don't need to take. So if you don't have a strong trading psychology, or if you don't have strong willpower, this is probably going to be one of the hardest steps for you. Now, if you let 2 to 3 hours play out, now you have a bit of structure to play with. Ignoring the price on this side right here, once we have this, we can now mark in our highs, and then we can also mark in our lows. So once we have our highs and lows mapped out, this brings up to our second step, identifying a buy side or sell side liquidity on the day or previous day. So zooming out a little bit, looking at previous day's price action, you can see this high right here actually lines up perfectly with this bounce right here, as well as this rejection. So this right here is a clear liquidity zone. When price hits this area, it instantly moves. It wicks out, creates a hammer candle. Multiple times we've had reversals off this liquidity zone. So now all we're gonna do is create our liquidity zone using the top of this wick, as well as the bottom of this wick. And then you're just gonna wanna drag it out. Boom. Now, not only do we have our highs and lows mapped out, we also have a clear liquidity zone that we can take trades off of. Now, this brings us to our third step. And for this step, you're going to need a simple indicator that's absolutely free. You don't need to pay for. If you go to the indicators tab up here, type in VWAP, you're gonna get volume weighted average price. And once you click on that, you are going to get something that looks like this on your chart. It's an upper band VWAP, the actual VWAP band itself, and then a lower band VWAP. Now for our third step, this is where we take entry, and we are going to use 2 things to line up our entry. So for one, we're going to use the buy side liquidity zone as well as a break of our upper band VWAP. So you can see right here, we end up retesting and consolidating into this buy side, and then we break our buy side liquidity as well as our upper band VWAP right here. That is where we are going to take our entry for shorts. Set your stop loss to slightly at a break of highs. Set your take profit to the lower band VWAP, and you're also going to want to use the middle band VWAP as a trim. Now this reversal does play out slightly later than usual. Typically we see a 9:30 reversal, but in this case our reversal does end up happening at around 10:30 a.m. This pretty much sums up the RV model video. I do have a more in-depth guide in the Discord server. If you guys want to come live trade with me every single day, see my analysis, see the trades I take and why I take my trades, click the link in the bio. There should be 2 links. One is going to direct you to the free Discord, and then the other one is going to direct you to the premium Discord. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure you guys click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.